guys, welcome to Drawing for Kids and happy fasting. Enjoy watching and hopefully entertained. This afternoon, I will draw and color a very cool banana cartoon. Let's go!
With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Very nice. It's time to color.
Old MacDonald
Yellow.
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Then we colored the glasses of this banana cartoon friends. Let's go! Black.
On his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Take a look. It's getting cooler, right?
Cow, E-I-E-I-O.
Chestnut brown.
With a here and a there, here a there, a everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Next part of the shoes we color with red.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm
Blue-gray.
he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a
Cool
there,
gray.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Brown.
Old MacDonald had a
Wow, amazing.
E-I-O.
Finally finished drawing and coloring cute cartoon bananas from the Stumble Guys game. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.